Hello funds lovers! In today's video, we'll show you how you can buy funds on PancakeSwap using a MetaMask wallet. This video is perfect for complete crypto beginners interested in funds who don't know where to start, as well as intermediate and advanced crypto investors looking for a walkthrough on how to buy funds on PancakeSwap using MetaMask. And finally, folks who are just really in love with my voice, which is mainly my mum. Today, I'll teach you step by step about how to set up a MetaMask wallet, connect that to the Binance Smart Chain on it, and buy funds tokens. Before we start, let me describe what MetaMask is. MetaMask is a software cryptocurrency wallet, and it allows you to connect to cryptocurrency blockchains through normal browsers. Think of MetaMask as your special cryptocurrency bank account. With MetaMask, you'll be able to access the Binance Smart Chain, the blockchain that funds is built on. First, visit the site metamask.io and download the MetaMask extension compatible with your desired browser. After installing the extension, you can now create a wallet. You can do this via the Create Wallet button in the MetaMask extension. After clicking this button, a list of terms and conditions will pop up. Press I agree and fill in a password in the required field. After hitting the Create button, a video about securing your MetaMask secret recovery phrase will pop up. You'll notice on the right-hand side of the screen some information explaining what the secret recovery phrase is and how to store it. So, what's this secret recovery phrase all about, and why is MetaMask fussing over it so much? Well, and this is important, a seed phrase is 12 random words that are specific only to your wallet address. If, for some reason, you forget your password or you want to open your wallet in another browser, you can easily regain access to your wallet with it. Please make sure, and as I say, this is very important guys, keep your seed phrase, the secret recovery phrase, stored somewhere where nobody other than yourself can access it. Think of your seed phrase as your very last lifeline. The moment you lose both your seed phrase and password, your wallet is inaccessible to you forever. In other words, it's gone forever. So it would be wise to write your recovery phrase down and store it at a secret place at home, in a bank vault, etc. After the video is done, press Next to view your recovery phrase. A screen with a black rectangle and a lock will be shown. When you press the lock/rectangle, your secret recovery phrase will be shown. Write this down somewhere safe. I repeat, write this down somewhere safe. Seriously, I can't stress this enough. Also, never ever share your recovery phrase with anyone online, no matter how official or authoritative they sound. In all likelihood, anyone asking for your recovery phrase is trying to scam you. After writing your recovery phrase down, you'll be made to pass a test on the next page, which involves filling in your seed phrase. This test is probably done to show MetaMask that you wrote your recovery phrase down. Once you've filled everything, press All Done, and congratulations! You've officially created a MetaMask wallet. Now, with your MetaMask wallet, you can receive payments for transactions from anyone in the world at any time without ever having to step into a bank or use a third-party intermediary. That's insane, right? Well, that's what crypto is all about. Now that you're logged into your MetaMask wallet, you'll probably notice some features straight away. One of them is the Assets log, which displays your balance of certain crypto tokens or coins in your possession. Another is the Activity feature. Any trade you make on MetaMask will be shown here. MetaMask also supports multiple accounts. This means that on MetaMask, you can manage multiple people's crypto wallets for them. Your first account, however, will be de facto named Account 1. You'll also notice a long chain of numbers below Account 1 starting with 0x. This is your public address wallet number. This is the number you fill in on an exchange or for someone who wants to send you crypto to receive tokens or coins in your wallet. Finally, you'll notice an icon above your account called the Ethereum mainnet. This is the Ethereum blockchain upon which MetaMask operates. There are more native blockchains available on MetaMask. However, the Binance Smart Chain, the blockchain upon which funds is built upon, is not one yet. This means you would have to import it to your wallet if you want to buy funds tokens. To do this, you'd have to go to Settings. It can be found by pressing the top right circle of your wallet. Next, click on Networks. It can be found on the left side of the menu. Next, click on the right-hand side that says Add Network. You can then go on to add the Binance Smart Chain network. The details you'd be asked to add are already in the description below. Fill in these details and press Save. That's it, you've automatically added Binance Smart Chain to your wallet. If you have done this correctly, your MetaMask wallet should automatically change to something like this. This means you're on the Binance Smart Chain. BNB is the main currency of the Binance Smart Chain. To switch back to the Ethereum chain, all you have to do is press the left button on the top right hand side and press the Ethereum mainnet. This is also the same when you want to go back to the Binance Smart Chain. Easy as that. Don't forget, we're doing all this because we want to buy funds tokens which are only present on the Binance Smart Chain network. And now that you're on that network, you can get funds tokens in two ways. One is by getting the funds tokens directly from the website itself through a ramp money transfer. The second is by swapping BNB for funds. There are two steps involved in this method. First, you must purchase some BNB from a large exchange and then transfer to exchanges that trade funds. A good place to buy the BNB token is on the Binance exchange itself. Registration on Binance is easy, although it does involve some KYC protocols. Once you finish that process, you'll be asked to add a payment method. Here, you can either use a credit debit card or use bank transfer to buy BNB. After you're done, the next step is to send BNB to your MetaMask wallet. Here's how you do this. Log in to your Binance.com account, select Wallet and click Overview. In your Wallet Overview, click Withdraw. Once you're in the withdrawal menu, select BNB and enter the withdrawal address. This is the one starting with 0x. Select Binance Smart Chain as the transfer network and enter the amount you want to withdraw. After selecting Binance Smart Chain as the transfer network, a pop-up screen will appear. Select I understand. The next steps are the same as with any other withdrawal. A confirmation screen will appear to inform you about the conversion rates and fees involved. It will then allow you to review the transaction once again. Once confirmed, you'll be asked to enter your verification code to approve the withdrawal. Your transaction will be processed shortly. The funds should appear in your wallet balance under Smart Chain within a few minutes after you receive the withdrawal confirmation email. Now, on to buying funds on PancakeSwap. To do this, you need to go to the PancakeSwap exchange website. Next, on the top right corner, click the Connect to a Wallet button and log in with your MetaMask Wallet extension. After you've logged in, the trading window will appear. In the top field, choose the token you wish to exchange, BNB, for the token you want, funds. If the funds token isn't available in your list of tokens, head over to CoinMarketCap and copy and paste the address for the funds token to the paste address field. The funds token should automatically pop up. Check the I understand box and click on Import. Once you do that, you can place your preferred order depending on how many funds tokens you wish to buy. If you're satisfied with the amount, click the Swap button. After clicking, your wallet requires you to confirm the trade and potentially set the fees to a number that works best for you. Once you do all the above, then confirm the transaction, it will be processed. After it's done, your tokens will show in your BNB wallet. Disconnect your wallet after you're done. This is very important to safeguard your wallet from being hacked. If you would like to make funds visible in your MetaMask wallet, do as follows. First, go to the Binance Smart Chain, click on Import Token and enter the funds contract ID. It's linked in the description below. The rest will be filled in automatically by MetaMask. And voila! With those simple steps, you can buy as many funds tokens as you like. If you've had any issues with any of these steps, let us know where in the comment section and we'll help you out. Once again, remember to never share your seed phrase and password. Also, choose a difficult but easily memorable password. Always disconnect your wallet after connecting to exchanges as well to prevent it from being hacked. Avoid suspicious exchanges as well and ignore coins you didn't buy suddenly present in your wallet. These are planted there by hackers looking to empty your wallet once you sell these fake coins. Alternatively, you can consider storing your funds tokens in a cold wallet where no one is able to touch them. If this all seems a bit woozy to you, relax. Our crypto security video, which is coming soon, will explain all of this in more detail. There you have it, guys. Thanks for watching. That's all we have for you today. Be sure to check out FundsFans on Twitter and Instagram and become one of our highly cherished members. The link for the Twitter channel is in the description and our Instagram handle is @FundsFans, also linked below. Thanks for watching. Till next time, stay safe and hodl funds.
It sound right, boy.